3, 2, 1.
What color is a Major League Baseball? The answer is D, white. What is the capital of the island African country Cape Verde? The answer is B, Praia. In the book of Ruth, after the deaths of Naomi's husband and her 2 sons, Naomi wanted to leave Moab. Where did she go? The answer is D, Bethlehem. What subject in school was the narrator likely interested in? The answer is A, they would have liked philosophy. Why was the narrator jolted on the road? The answer is D, they were almost hit by a minivan. Where is Drew's pool table located on the sitcom The Drew Carey Show? The answer is D, in his backyard. What was the range of Radio St. Helena in miles? The answer is C, 62. What were the words he spoke to me? The answer is B, he didn't want our relationship to be exclusive. The penis, testes, and epididymis are structures in what male anatomical system? The answer is D, reproductive. What did of movies does Animate sell? The answer is D, anime. The epochs of the universe are known back to very shortly after what explosive event? The answer is D, Big Bang. How old was Constantine when he was crowned emperor? The answer is A, 27. In American football, how far is the longest ever successful field kick in yards? The answer is C, 64. Why is the narrator searching for something like he is? The answer is A, he needs to fix something. What makes and stores pigments that give petals and fruit their orange and yellow colors? The answer is A, chromoplasts. What is the antonym of the word synonym? The answer is D, antonym. The New River is famous for what sport? The answer is C, whitewater rafting. Which group recorded the hit single Sugar Daddy in 1971? The answer is D, Jackson 5. What is the official state snack food of the U.S. state of Illinois? The answer is D, popcorn. Who played the role of Rebecca Howe on the TV show Cheers? The answer is A. Kirstie Alley. In what year did The Dig get released? The answer is C. 2005. When was the main media not owned by the government? The answer is D. 2008. Where does Marty's older brother work in 1985 in the movie Back to the Future? The answer is A. Burger King. What is the name of the disorder of the arteries in which cholesterol and other materials are deposited on the interior of the arterial wall? The answer is C. Atherosclerosis. Which of these colors is not present on the national flag of the Bahamas? The answer is D. Green. What planet has brown clouds floating over its surface? The answer is A. Jupiter. Who plays the college weirdo Derek Lutz in the movie Back to School? The answer is C. Robert Downey Jr. What may happen after having some beer and BBQ? The answer is A. We talk to other people. Several martial artists are outside on tile. They are surrounded by a crowd of people. They are beside a large building. What happens next? The answer is B. Demonstrate several moves to them. Picture, how would you do this? The answer is A. Hangs on cloud. How many sides does a Hendicagon have? The answer is B. 11. Why are some surprised with her partner? The answer is D. They have a different career than her past mates. Why was the narrator upset about their endeavor? The answer is A. They forgot their camera. The word genocide was unknown until what year? The answer is D. 1944. A student measures the acceleration of a stone block on a level surface when a block is acted upon by a known force. What additional information is needed to precisely calculate the block's mass? The answer is B. The amount of friction. On the TV show Supernatural, there is a particular firearm which has the capability of killing demons. What kind of firearm is this? The answer is D. Colt. What may be the reason why school was so uneventful? The answer is C. The first day back is usually laid back. Which of the following does Kellie Pickler consider the major influence in her life? The answer is D. Grandfather. Where will the narrator be on the date of January 7th? The answer is A. The narrator will be on a ship. Why did Norman move the horse over to his mom's place? The answer is B. Norman did not want to pay for hay. How do you make a mixed drink? How would you do this? The answer is A. Mix alcohol and juice. Why am I glad that there's no dust around? The answer is C. I do and want to breathe in dust. 4 girls are swinging on a swing set. Then the girls jump and do cartwheels. The girls, what happens next? The answer is C. Are then seen using a seesaw. Yeasts are single-celled fungi. About 1,000 species are recognized, but the most common species is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is used in this. The answer is D. Bread making. Black caviar is made of sturgeon roe. The eggs of what sturgeon are most highly valued? The answer is C. Beluga. How much of a drop was there in manufacturing jobs between 1990 and 2010? The answer is A. 64. How many nuclear weapons were eventually housed in Poland? The answer is B. 250. Water, carbon dioxide, and what other element are important agents of chemical weathering? The answer is C. Oxygen. When was the first known use of the word computer? The answer is D. 1613. Which product was advertised with the slogan, "You've come a long way, baby"?